Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer money from PrizePicks to bank account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to know is you should need to have this PrizePicks playthrough requirement. Unlike other providers, PrizePicks has a very simple and consumer friendly playthrough policy. You only have to play through your deposit and promo funds one time before you can withdraw. For example, let's say you drop $10 and get matched an additional 10 in promo funds. You have to play a total of 20 worth of entries, and then you are free to withdraw your winnings. Many of PrizePicks competitors have playthrough requirements as high as 3x, 6x or even 20x. Now, for prize withdrawal, what you need to do is make sure you are signed into your account, then navigate to the settings and view all options. Once you have managed that, simply click on request withdrawal and then enter in the amount that you want to take out and the means of receiving it. So once you open up your app, what you need to do is tap on this 3 bar on the top left corner of the screen and you'll get this bunch of options, and here you'll find the option that says request withdrawal. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, all you gotta do is enter in the amount. And now many customers qualify for instant withdrawals. However, new customers will often have at least their first few withdrawals received by a qualified specialist for security reasons. This review takes between 16 to 12 hours, most of the time toward the lower end of that range. Once your withdrawal is approved, you have two different choices to get your money: instant bank transfer, ACH, or card withdrawals. So that's basically it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.